This is division using chunking on a number line. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my number line all the way across, and I'm going to put my 38 on this side because I know that I'm going to be subtracting each time. Now this is where I can apply my times table knowledge and my 4 times tables to help me do this a bit quicker, because if I was just doing repeated subtraction, it's going to take me quite a long time to get to the answer. So I'm going to ask myself, well, what 4 times tables do I know that would help me break this down into chunks? So firstly, I know I've got an 8 in the ones column here, and I know 2 times 4 is 8. So I can put my 2 times 4 along the top, and I'm going to subtract 8 there. Now I'm also going to circle the 2, and that's really important for at the end, and I'll explain why later. So if I'm subtracting 8, and I've got this on my number beads here, I've got my 38 here, I can take away 8, which will leave me with 30. Now I need to think again, what other 4 times tables do I know which would help this break this down into larger chunks? Well, I know 5 times 4 is 20. So again, I can do my chunk, and I can put my 5 times 4, and I'm going to subtract 20. And again, circle the 5. So on my number beads, I'm going to take 20, which will then leave me with 10. So I'm going to put my 10 here. Now again, what 4 times table can I use to then try and get as close to 0 as possible without this falling everywhere? So I can do 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to put my 2 times 4, subtracting 8, circle the 2. Now if I'm taking away 8, I know I'm just left with 2. So I'm going to put my 2 just here. Now can I take any more whole groups of 4? Now I can't, I've got 2 left over. So this is where this comes in handy, the circling. I need to add these numbers because that's how many jumps I did of 4s. So I did 2 jumps here, add the 5 is 7 jumps, add the 4 is 9 jumps. So I know 38 divided by 4 is 9, and I've got a remainder of 2 here, so I'm going to put a R there for remainder 2. 9 remainder 2.